How to get a Sinnoh stone in Pokemon Go. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Vipin Basnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can get a Sinnoh stone in Pokemon Go. Now, there are four main ways to get a Sinnoh stone in the game itself. The first is by earning a research breakthrough by completing the 7 field research task that you get in the game. The other way is to defeat a Team Go Rocket leader. As you know, the Team Go Rocket pops up here and then, so you gotta find the leader, you gotta go ahead and battle it, and then you gotta go ahead and defeat the leader, and you'll be able to get one. The other way is to winning the person versus person battles against other trainers. You can compete with other trainers in the game, as you know. So all you have to do is compete with other trainers and win the battles and hope that you get one. So the other way is by earning a mystery item in the Go Battle League. Participate in the Go Battle League and then earn a mystery item, and a Sinnoh stone might pop out from the mystery item. So these are the four main ways to get a Sinnoh stone. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.